Get it. So hopefully you can see on the video here, I got the fuel system all finished up. This return line is going to need to get clamped down, and then I need a mount for the pump, but it's all hooked up. The electrical system's all done, computer, fuse panel, drive-by-wire module to run the throttle body. And all of these wires go for the lights and starter and things. It's got a toggle switch in here. Runs the fuel pump whenever the computer controls the pump, so that just turns the ignition on. So each time you turn the ignition on, the pump will cycle just to prime the system. And then it has a drive-by-wire pedal assembly inside of the cab, so it sends a signal from the gas pedal to that module that's out on the firewall. These will be for the lights and stuff, that's why they're just not in there yet. And then it has a button here for the start.